Continuing part 2, we just sorted by town alphabetically. You can see the arrow here. What we want to do now is between the two towns of Becherfield, we want to have the higher service amount billed first. If you look at the 3 Crawfords, they're actually in numeric order correctly. But if you look at Springtown, we just want to make a couple adjustments here. So we want a secondary sort. So what you'll do is choose Home, the Home tab, come all the way over to the far right, Sort and Filter. Choose Custom Sort. Now if you did it correctly the first time, it should be Sort by Town, A to Z. Now we'll add a level. Click Add a Level. And what we're doing is we want it to look at the service amount billed. So click the down arrow, choose Service Amount Billed, and we want it instead of smallest to largest, we want largest to smallest. When I click OK, you're going to notice that the 2 Becherfields, the higher amount will be first, and then the Springtowns again will be in numeric order. So now we'll check. Becherfield has changed, and so has Springtown. And we also have an arrow pointing down, meaning it's sorted from largest to smallest. So we did the sort, and now we're going to do a filter. So the first thing we want to do is, so that we only want to see the rows containing Becherfield and Springtown. So if you click this down arrow for town, we actually want to get rid of Crawford. Right now it's showing all of them. We only want to see Becherfield and Crawford. So I'm going to Becherfield and Springtown. Unclick Crawford and click OK. So you have you've filtered out Crawford. And you can tell by the numbers here, the numbers are in blue and the sequence is off. Plus it has a little filter button showing you that it only has the equals Becherfield and Springtown. So that's a filter that you can actually, to get them back, you would just click the filter and recheck it, and that would bring it back. But for now, we'll keep that filtered. We're going to do a secondary filter, which is on the balance due. So you're going to choose the balance due down arrow, and you're going to choose number of filters, and you're going to select greater than, so number of filters, and then greater than, and you'll type $200, and then OK. So it only shows the balance due greater than $200. So there should be only 3 customers showing. The next thing we'll do is in A23, type your name. And they want you to view the worksheet in what's called Page Break Preview. So if you choose View, and then, choose Page Layout. I have to click outside of it first. Choose View, and it's Page Break Preview. And what that does is it shows you how many pages it will print. This is page 1, page 2, and page 3. And we want it to fit all on one page. So if you drag the blue break between them to the edge, you can get it to fit all on one page. And now it fits all on one page. That scales it, so it's a lot smaller in font size, but it's all on one page instead of 3 separate pages. Go ahead and save and submit. I'm just going to have you do one more thing before you print it. In the Page Layout button, choose Orientation, Landscape. And it still fits on one page. That's good. Save and submit. Thank you.